Hey guys, it's Key, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to bleach your knots for beginners. If you would like for your lace frontal wig to look like this, where it's like natural and has like a natural looking scalp, then keep watching. So this video was sponsored by DYHAIR777, and right now I'm just showing you everything that you'll need. You need a bowl, the bleach of your choice, a developer, I recommend 30. I have Brazilian body wave full lace wig that's pre-plucked. I have 22 inches, and again, that's the hair company. So right now I'm showing you guys how it was pre-plucked. Of course you want to customize it to your own liking, but it is pre-plucked. Okay, so this is the part where you want to put your bleach. So you see like the front part of your wig where you will be most likely like making your parts. That's where you want to bleach. You don't need to bleach the whole inside. So you want to just take 2 scoops of your bleach. It's powder too, because I know they have liquid. Then you want to make sure that you put a little bit at a time of your developer, because you can always go back and add more so that you can get it to a thick consistency. You want it to mix really well, but you don't want it to be like super runny. But you're going to see I keep adding a little bit, because it's better to keep adding a little bit, because if you add too much, then you kind of got to add more bleach. You don't want to do that. Okay, so this is what your bleach should look like once you're done. And I didn't need a whole lot because I'm only bleaching a small section. So I folded it back. I started with my brush, but I felt like it was going too much into the lace. You literally just want to coat the top of your lace. You don't want to press it in because you don't want it to get on the hair. If you get the bleach on the hair, it will bleach the hair, and you will just have to like do a whole nother step of bleaching. I mean, you will have to redo like dyeing the hair and everything. You don't want to have to go through all of that. So just make sure that you're not pressing too deeply in it. You literally just want to sit it on top of the lace. And again, I'm only doing the part where I would be making parts, you know, in the front of the lace. If you want to go ahead and bleach the entire lace, that's on you, girl, but I wasn't about to do all of that. Once you're done, this is what it should look like, and you want to sit it out and let it process for about 30 minutes. So you see me washing my hair right now. I'm not using shampoo. You want to rinse it out with warm water. You want to make sure that you just get all of the bleach out first before you start using shampoo. So make sure you give it a really good rinse. You don't want to, you know, it's okay if you push it into the lace, because once the bleach hits the water, it's not processing anymore. So just make sure you're rinsing it really, really well. But I'm using the Design Essentials Almond and Avocado shampoo because it's a moisturizing shampoo and it is for curly hair. And again, I do have Brazilian body wave. So I'm just mainly washing the lace. I'm going to run it through the hair too, but you want to make sure you focus on getting all of the bleach out of the lace, because you don't want bleach sitting in your head. Rinse it out, rinse it out. We want to make sure that the water runs clear after you are done washing all of the shampoo out of the hair. That's how you know that all of it's out. You won't see any more soap suds or anything. It'll run completely clear. I like to give it a good wash if y'all can't tell. Oh, I forgot to mention, I also used L'Oreal blonding shampoo because you want to use it to get the brassiness out of the hair once you bleach it, because it will be orange. And then I used As I Am leave-in conditioner. No, it's the co-wash. But this is what the hair is looking like after I washed it and conditioned it and let it air dry for an hour. It was still a little bit damp, but not too much. Okay, so let me just tell y'all, I absolutely love this hair. It's beautiful. This is how it will look once you're all done. Your part should look just like this. So yeah, y'all see it looks super natural. You can like have a versatile part. You don't have to be restricted to just doing like a middle part or anything like that. This is what the scalp will look like, and once you put your wig cap on of whatever color, you know, to match your skin tone, it'll look even more natural. But I'm gonna just show y'all like how you can part it and just, you know, how good it looks. So this is how everything should look. Then you won't have that harsh, brassy, orange looking part that you see in most wigs. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure y'all check out DYHAIR777. Everything you need to know about it will be in the description box down below. Go get your bundles, girl.